Hello, everyone. This is page 48 of Alfred Music Piano Library 1A. And then we are having this fifth. I mean, you remember the interval of fifth. So let's assume that this is C. We have C, D, E, F, and G. So this song showing Ludwig van Beethoven is a song that has a lot of fifth in it. So the fifth is from C to G and from G to C, C to G, G to C, and five and so on and so on. So let's hear how this song sounds like. So you arrange your finger in the C position like this, okay? And then we have the is in 3/4 timing. So we play like this. Let me do it again. Thank you. My fifth.